In the previous video, we learned how to make filter using data filter. We can click data where we can find filter. We can make the filter functions. Here I am going to show you how to use filter function. Type filter, open bracket. First argument is array. Select the range where you want to filter. So this much range you have to select. Comma. Next is include, that means condition. What is our condition? Here we can see the item. I am choosing select the range of the item equals I need Samsung only. Type Samsung on the double quotes because it's a text, comma, in case not available keep it as blank. So when you enter it will filter all the Samsung items. Suppose I need the multiple conditions. For example, if I use and along with the filter, we are only filter only one item. If I want to get multiple items, multiple conditions, so we can use here if and for both condition, multiple condition should be true. For and, we have to keep bracket on the current set and I'm selecting here range greater than 1000. So multiple condition. For and we have to use star symbol. That also keep in the bracket, enter it. Now Samsung, whatever Samsung greater than 1000. So here if you use multiple conditions with and, it should be all the conditions should be true. Suppose we need any condition should be true, we can use or. For or we have to use here plus, and I'm just changing here equals 10,000, quantity equal 10,000. So there is no quantities on 10,000 because here we use the or condition. If any condition should be true, we don't want to make all conditions should be true. Suppose I change another conditions, it's greater than 1000, sorry, it's 427, any item the amount is 427, so apple, that's 427. So in that case either one condition or multiple should be true. Suppose I want to sort, we will learn the sort function in the data sort. So here I am using the sort function, type sort also, and first one is array, that is filter is our array, and which column I want to sort. I am using here second column, type 2, and ascending order or descending order. One is ascending, minus one is descending. So I am using here ascending order first of all. So when we can see the quantity on the second column, it's in ascending order starting from 0. Suppose we need the descending order, we can change it as -1 instead of 1. It will sort by descending order with the filter function. Suppose we learn the data validation list. Instead of typing the item name, we can keep this item in the list. So for that reason, what I'm going to do here, I'm just adding one more row. Here we can see our item, select that item, keep it, copy here, and go to data validation list we learned before. Here we can see the list. On the list, just select this range of items, then click on OK. All the unique items will be available here. So when instead of Samsung, I can pick this item from this list. So I want to change here, instead of Samsung, that cell number, that is F24 equals F24. Then only one condition is true here, that is 427. When we select any item, it will work. See, I hope you understand this video. Thank you very much.